Hi guys and welcome back to class. Well, in this lesson I will be teaching you some sort of advanced transitions and how you can make good use of them in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we're going to be using videos for transitions. Yes, it might sound tricky, but let's get into it first. So one of the things I want to do is at the end of this clip I want to blur out, then blur into the new clip. So that's some sort of video transition I want us to try out, and I'll be giving you tricks on other elements that you can use this for. So I'll be cutting a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I would bring in the Gaussian blur effect, of course, which is our main blur effect. So for the Gaussian blur, so we're bringing in this as well, Gaussian blur. So the first one I'll be animating from 0 to 100, and the second one would be from 100 to 0. So from 0 we have our first keyframe right here, and we will be moving to 100. That's the end of the first clip. Let's take a frame back, not a frame but the middle of another frame, and I'll be taking these to 100. I'll just input the figures and click enter. Then I'll be clicking on the second clip, and for the starting of the second clip I'll select my keyframes and I'll also use the 100, and I'll be taking these to the end of the second clip, and I'll be leaving it at 0. There we go. So when I play this, you are going to see a little bit of flash effect, not like a blur in, blur out, or blur out, blur in effect. So let's play this. I don't know if you saw that, but it's a bit extended, and to extend this further, I would actually have to create some sort of space and drag this to the back. Also this one, I also push it back and drag in some sort of space. So do not be scared to cut, and I'll be dragging this to the back, while I'll also be dragging this as well to the end of the other clip. So when I play this, this is what we have. You can see how that subtle blur comes in. So another thing we can always do as well is disregarding the end of these two clips. Let's delete this since we already know what we need to do here. And one thing I'll also do is cut here and cut out here. So I'll be trying out the zoom out to the zoom in. So this one is going to be zooming in, and I'm going to be setting the scale to 0. Sorry, to 1 to 0. Yes, we're going to be setting this. So we're going from 0 to 100, then 100 to 0. No, let's go from 100 to 0, then 0 to 100. Or let's go 100 to 200, 200, then 200 back to 100. So I'm going to be selecting the second one, and we're going to be doing 200. Okay, this is 200. This is 200, 235. We're going to be adding 100 more. That's going to make it 335, 335. Oh no, I'm going to be doing this 335, 35, and we're going to be doing this 235. So one of the ways to actually explore this is to play back and see what we have. You can see how this goes, but I need this to be faster. So to make this faster, I'm going to be bringing this closer to each other, to bring in this close to the end and bringing this one back to being so close. So let's see what we have. You can see how that zooms out, moves in. Amazing. So these are how to make advanced transitions. You could try this with rotation 2. You could try this with your position, that you could slide in and slide out and do so many things. And also you could try this with opacity and play around some other things, and just make sure you're animating, you're keyframing, at the right point with the appropriate amount. So bye for now. See you in the next lesson.